care of everything. Permitting, processes, inspections, we handle all that. We take the burden off the customer. When we notice a power outage in the area, I will call that customer and say, hey, just want to make sure your generator's running. We just make it as painless as we can for the homeowner.
We'll spend as much time as you need to feel comfortable about the process. I'll tell you soup to nuts what's involved, the expenses. Through the whole process, we can really help you and tell you everything you need to know about the whole install. My office will handle the entire installation from the permits, the town filing, all the paperwork goes through us. It's a straightforward process, every town's different, but we'll handle it and help you the whole way.